Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and after the crushing disappointment of last night, I thought it best that we pick ourselves up our feet and come down to the seafront. So let's go and have a look at the renovations on Poseidonos Avenue, see if that would cheer us up. And it's very hot, I have to say. It's actually Saturday morning. I filmed two beginnings of this because that's how professional I am, and this was the winning one. Unless you saw the sad bit at the beginning, which completely screwed up that. So it's not the professionalism, eh? Anyway, whatever the result, we're coming up past Pinguinos. Now I'm going to cross over here because originally this was supposed to be a water feature, but it appears to have been filled in with earth now. Given the state of the reservoirs, that makes quite a bit of sense. But I did like the nice pool that you used to have there. I suppose there is a hose coming out of it still, so perhaps there's going to be a fountain on top of it or something. There's Pinguinos, a popular place, especially good if you're celiac or got gluten intolerance, because they understand the requirements of that properly. Well, it's not completely finished here, but they're very near to it, getting ready for the final stages. I wonder why this one little bit's got gravel in it and the rest has all got soil. You can see where some shade is going to be installed along here. Those holes waiting to be filled. I have to say, even in this short bit of walk here, they can't come soon enough.
Remember, if you like our content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, as it really does help YouTube promote us. And if you want to help us financially, then go to our paphoslife.com/coffee page, and you can either send us coffee or click on one of the affiliate links.
Wheelchair parking there. I'm not quite sure where that's going to be. Right, so most of the walkway itself is actually done now, which is good. Means people don't have to pick themselves over planks of wood and get covered in dust so much. There's the Annabelle Hotel. So these bars up here will be hopefully getting back to normal now, because I know they suffered a lot. As I said, they won't be packed out yet because it's only like 9 o'clock in the morning. And the nest, the work outside, that's finished as well, which I'll be delighted with, I'm sure. Just got called to task by somebody who pointed out that it's been going on for ages up this end, and he's quite right, because they started up here and they seem to go back to the seafront end and do that for a few months. But it all seems to be coming together now. I'll take a slight diversion, I think, and go around this side, because I don't really want to get run over. so we can have a look at what's going on from this safer angle. To avoid the rubble here. We're at the top end of Bar Street now, less salubrious end. But I know those island blue signs, they're not just decoration, because there's been some more of those up towards the Moutlos area in Paphos, and I noticed as I was driving past them that there's now a building site behind them, so they don't just stick them up to make the area look prettier, they do signify that work is going to commence at some point there. So there is hope for the top end of Bar Street yet. Anyway, we're talking about Poseidonos Avenue, so let's have a look at this more. We're getting there. It's going to look very nice when it's finished as well. Now once I've done this section, I'm going to walk and carry on filming up to Sodat Beach, because I don't normally cover that area near Limnaria, so I'll give that some love, so to speak. Got the Amara over there. And now it's some gloriously shaded area. Oh, I'm certainly appreciating that. Paphos restaurant. It's easy when you come to Paphos to dismiss the restaurants along here and head straight for the seafront and the harbour, but I do hear very nice reports about lots of the eateries along here, so be sure to pay them some attention and let us know how you found them as well, because our Paphos chat group on Facebook is always looking for honest customer-based reviews as opposed to shield reviews, etc. of the various places to stay, because people are always asking us where to eat, and we tend to leave that to the readers of the group to answer, partly because everybody has their favourites, but also the last time I recommended a place I could barely get in it next time I went because it was so crowded. There's a cat, hello, I haven't seen one of these today. Oh, always friendly one. Snubbed. Mind you, it could be a bit just too hot for pets. Right, the next hotel up is the Alexander the Great. I might be misremembering, but I'm sure there used to be a little restaurant there that I was going to explore. I'm telling myself that had been closed down for a bit of urban exploring. Well, it looks like I was too late. The building is no more. Yeah, and once I've got to Sodat, I'll do another film from there to the seafront, and a final film walking down the seafront and to the harbour, after which I shall melt. So here's Limnaria, with a rather ugly looking stream there. I'll have to film that when the rainy season is with us. I imagine it looks a bit more interesting then. If I remember rightly, there's quite a few shops in here. I think the last time I filmed up here it was a Sunday and nowhere was open. So I'll take another wander through. Boom, 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 boom. Plus it's in the shade again. Sorry if the light gets a bit dark. Oh, that's pretty up there. I don't know if the sound will pick it up, but the cicadas are going full blast. Oh, there's a moggy. Go down. Meow. Yeah, that's better. Oh, there's loads of them. Sorry, only time for one. My daughter should be made aware of this though. Not just for the cats, but because it's a shaded area. Now, this is a nice place that does coffee here. To Shopping Piazza 2. Okay, lead on. Lots of these cats look very oddly familiar. There weren't any signs of any ears being chopped indicating that they've been spayed either. There's near a TNR programme up here. Oh, this is nice, isn't it? Let's just walk through. I imagine around lunchtime this place is packed. All in. See if we can get any further this way. Actually, no, good bother. That's enough. So these are Limnaria Gardens. Someone asked if I could film up there. I originally assumed they meant the road, but having walked through there, they probably meant in there. Anyway, it's very nice. There's some nice shade there too. Now, getting close to the tower now, which signifies the end of this section of the film. Oh, there goes the microphone, so I had to move that because my neck was getting sweaty. Cheese! Halloumi! Can't see what that was called. Gemon's snack bar. With a little kiosk. And now we've got the Amavi Hotel on the right. Another issue I've got to bear in mind is whether the camera will overheat or not. I've actually packed an emergency backup camera, so that'll be a pain to change. So hopefully I won't have to. Oh, when I was talking about the old building, it was actually this one. So I'll have to return with my indoor camera to have a proper look around there. What I could do is do another tour of the LO Hotel, or is it LOE? Leave a comment, give your opinion. I don't care either way, but it's nice to be right. Seeing as I found out that the Ivy Mare is actually called Evie Marie and Aqua Mare is Aqua Marie, it's good to get them right. I wonder what the proper name for the Amarvi is. Umarvi or something silly like that. That woman was very curious as to what I was doing. Probably because I'm taking a bit of a Cypriot approach to pedestrian at the moment and just taking the direct route rather than use the crossing. It's too hot for niceties. But there's the tower. Now, interestingly, pan up a bit. I flew my drone around it the other day, not all the way around, because otherwise you have problems connecting to it because of the height of the building. But to the right of it, where that crane is, you can see the foundations for another block of flats that have already been built. But I read somewhere, and again, social media, so pinch of salt and all that, but that had a stop put to it. Whether that's true or not, I don't know. But people were wondering what was going on over there, because that area is now being cleared. And at the moment, it just looks like a little free car park, which is handy to know if you want to save €1 or two, or can't fathom the online system. Mind you, if you can't fathom the online system, how on earth are you on social media? But anyway, I'm digressing. We're coming up to the Antasia Beach Bar, and I'll walk up to the top of the lookout tower. Well, I can't call it a tower really. I'll walk up to the top and finish this film and start the next film from there too. Balloons, flowers and baptism. It must mean that there's a wedding probably on that little place down there, but I'll cover that in the next film anyway. You can rent your bikes here. They're all up and down Paphos now. You've got many ways of getting about. Right, so we'll go up the staircase. And usually there aren't young ladies at the top here taking Instagram selfies, because normally when I've come up here I've had to wait because it's very popular. That's what you get for coming here nice and early, I suppose. So have a quick pan that way towards Pakiamos Beach and across, and we'll finish looking over to the harbour, where I'll finish this walk in about an hour's time and 2 films along. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers.